students. In previous lecture we learned about number name, number place, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers, right? Today we are going to study about missing numbers and number on abacus. Number on abacus. And the next is expanded form. Okay, today we are only going to study about these three topics. Okay, so let us start with missing numbers. What is missing numbers? Missing numbers is like if we have a sequence of numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If I write this thing as 5, 10, 15 dash 25. So this number is missing here, right? So we have to calculate that what is the sequence and what will be this missing number. So this will be like 5, 10, 15. That means each the difference between two consecutive number is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 equal to 15, and 15 plus 5 equal to 20, and 20 plus 5 equal to 25. So 20 was missing number, okay. So this is basically the missing number. Like we have to find the missing number in any sequence. So yeah, if there's a sequence like 2, 4, dash, 8, dash, and 12. So what will be these numbers? What are these numbers? So like we have to see the difference between these like first consecutive numbers, that is 2 and 4. What is the difference? 2. Okay. So then 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Then 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. That means we are on a right path. And 8 plus 2 equal to 10, and 10 plus 2 equal to 12. See? So 6 was missing number and 10 was a missing number. Got it? Okay. Now let us proceed. Okay. The next number is number on abacus. Number on abacus. So this abacus is basically an instrument or a device. We can say it's a device which has beads in it. So like it's something like a box or an open box, not even a box. It's like a frame of 4 wooden pieces, and it has like these pillar-like things, and it has like beads on these pillar-like things. Okay. Yeah. So this is abacus, by the way. This is abacus. Okay. So we will be like studying like how we can determine a number which is presented in this form. Okay. So see, abacus is mostly like this. Just like sorry, 3 strings. Okay, and this first string from the right side is said as ones, the second is said as tens, and the third is hundreds. Okay, so if ones have 2 beads and tens have 4 beads and 100 have 6 beads. So the number will be 600 plus 40 plus 2. Okay, so the number will be 642. Okay, like we have to just multiply, like this is 6 beads, 1 2 3 4 5 6 beads, and it's in the place of hundreds, so it will be like 6 into 100, that is 600. Like it's there are 4 beads in tens places, so like 1 2 3 4, right? 4. So we just have to multiply, like 4 into 10 equal to 40. Then in ones places there is only 2, so like we have to just multiply 1 into 2, that is 2. 2. Okay, so like this we get numbers in abacus. Let's have another example. Like in this abacus, okay, we have 3 beads here on ones place, 6 beads here in tens place, and 2 beads here in 100 place. So what will be the number? Like in 100 place there is 2 beads, that means 2 into 100, that is 200. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 beads in tens, so that there will be like 10 into 6 into 10, that is 60. And in ones place there is 3 beads, that means 3 into 1, that is 3. So the number will be 263. Okay, like we have to just plus these numbers. Okay, got it? Okay, just move. Okay. Whew. The next is expanding form. Expanding number. Like when we generally write in standard form, that means 362, 481, 792, 666, 999, 884, like etc etc. These are standard numbers. Okay, but when we are talking about expanded numbers, we will like expanding is stretching something, right? So we will stretch a number. That means if we have a number like 784, that will be 700 plus 80 plus 4. Why? Because 4 is on ones place, 8 is on tens place, tens place, and 7 is on hundreds place. So 7 on 100, that means 700, 8 on tens, that means 80, and 4 on ones, that means 4. Okay, if we have a number like 562, that means ones, tens, 100. So 2 is on ones, that means 2, plus 6 is on tens, that means 60, and 5 is on hundreds place, that means 500. Okay, so this is expanded form. Okay, got it? Right? Okay, and these numbers are called standard numbers. Okay, and these numbers are called expanded numbers. Okay? Okay, so today's homework will be write expanded form of following numbers. Okay, first number is 782, second number is 674, third number is 581, fourth number is 777. Okay, fourth number will be like 567, fifth number is 432, sixth number is 222, and the seventh number is 890. Okay, so these are the numbers, and yeah, these are the numbers, and you have to do this and just complete your homework. It's very easy, by the way, it's really easy. So just complete your homework and submit it. Okay, so bye.